To get a really sculpted and really defined jawline, sometimes it may take 2 surgeries to get you where you want to be. And I want to talk about this patient today because this is a patient who underwent 1 surgery to help augment the jawline, then later decided that that wasn't the full result that he wanted and came back to get a deep plane neck lift, and we also increased the size of his jaw implant. So I like this example because you can really see how 1 surgery gets you most of the way there, but the 2 surgeries together is a knockout. Okay, so here's the patient before, and this is a patient who is very lean, very fit, naturally just has some fullness under his chin and a pretty weak jaw and chin line. First surgery, I did jaw implants and a genioplasty. Genioplasty brought the chin forward, added some depth, volume, and definition to the jaw. And you can see the difference between the before and after is huge. Patient has more definition, stronger jawline, looks great. But what he didn't like was that he still had this fullness under his chin and the jawline wasn't quite as defined as he wanted. And even though the patient is young, this is genetic fat. This is fat that is deep, as I've been talking about, not amenable to liposuction or Kybella. So we decided to undergo another surgery, a deep plane neck lift, where I removed the deep fat, I removed part of his submandibular glands, and while we were there, we upgraded it for a bigger implant, and in this case, the patient decided to do a custom implant so it could be shaped exactly the way he wanted it. And you see the difference between this surgery and this final surgery is amazing. So for patients who have a weak jawline, weak chin, and a lot of fullness under their neck, I'll often recommend 2 surgeries. 1, to remove all of the soft tissue and help to sculpt this, but 2, adding some kind of a jaw implant, genioplasty or chin implant, to help give better definition and better structure to the chin and jaw, as well as subtracting the fat and soft tissue. And that is what yields this kind of result.